you how to make a really delicious iced coffee using the Happy Way coffee protein powder. So what you're going to need is a double shot of espresso, a few ice cubes, I've got about half a cup here, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit, 1 scoop of the protein and 1 cup of milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk today. So what we're going to do is chuck everything into our blender and blend it until it's really creamy. Now what we're going to then do is pour it into a glass that's filled with ice to make it nice and cold.